I'll show you both different ways of solving. You can then choose which way works best for you. The method that we've been practicing now has been taking whatever is common outside the front of the bracket. I can see up here that I have 2a as being common, because I have a 2a here, and if I break that down to 2 times 2, I have a 2a here as well. So 2a multiplied by 2b would give me back to 4ab. 2a times 2b will give me 4ab, plus 1 would give me back to 2a. 2a times plus 1 would give me the same as I've got up here as I have down here. And then that's all divided by 8a can be thought of as 2a times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So what I get then is I get 2a cancelling with 2a, and I get the answer 2b plus 1 all divided by 4. That's one way. Another way, and the reason that I don't start with this way, is that you have to understand that you can't cancel an a here and an a here unless there's also an a there to cancel. So an alternative way of doing this is just to say, here's an a, here's an a, and here's an a. There's an a in every term on the top, and there's an a on the bottom. And here I could divide this one by 2, this one by 2, and this one by 2. 4 divided by 2 would give me 2. 2 what are left? 2b plus 1 plus 1 all divided by 4. So you can do it like that as well. If we're to look at the next one, 12a squared, well, I can see that there's a factor 4 and there's an a that's common to everything. How do I go from 4a back to 12a squared? 4a times 3a would give me 12a squared. I want minus 8a, and I've got a 4 out here. If I multiply 4a by minus 2, I would get back to minus 8a. 4a times minus 2 would be minus 8a, all divided by 4a. I now have 4a divided by 4a, so I get equals 3a minus 2. If I wanted to do that a different way, I could get my a's and cancel them here. I can't cancel both a's there, but I will get the a squared cancelling. And then I would get on the top, and then I could divide all of these by a factor of 4. 12 divided by 4 would give me 3 what? 3 a's. I've got the a squared as cancelled, but I've still got an a. Minus 2, all divided by 1. So you had 2 different ways of getting that one as well. This one, the easiest way to do this one is I've got 16x squared minus 12x squared. These are the same terms. Here's an x squared and here's an x squared. So the first thing I'm allowed to do with these is subtract them. 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 what? X squared. Divided by 4x. The 4's cancel, the x cancels with the squared, giving me the answer here of x. Okay? So that's those ones. These ones simplifying, nice and easy. I'm looking for x cubed. I'll start with those. Here's x cubed and there's x cubed, giving me 20 x cubed. Do I have any x squared terms? Yep, I've got 1. There's nothing else to do with that, just put it there. Can't add x's and x squareds. I've got an x term here, minus 14x. Only 1, so I take that one away. And then I've got 2y minus 5y giving me minus 3y. 2 minus 5 giving me minus 3. Next one, I have 15a squared. That's the only a squared term. I have a b squared as well, minus 3b squared, and that's the only b squared. And I cross them out to make sure I haven't missed anything. Then I have a look here and I say, right, do I have any more a terms? Because I started with a's. I've got a 4a here and a 7a there. 4 plus 7 is going to give me 11a. There's plus signs in front of both of them. 4 plus 7 is 11, so it's 11 a's. Then I've got 4 minus 4b here and minus 12b there. Same sign. So the answer is going to be the same as we would get if we added 4 plus 12 would be 16. But instead of being plus 16, because both numbers were minus, we'd get minus 16. And then we've done everything in that row. So this would be my answer here. And again, it doesn't matter which order they're in, as long as the number and the sign in front is correct. Last one, 12x squared minus 8x squared. Here's our x squared terms. 12 minus 8 is 4, so we end up with 4x squared. 16x minus 18x, 16 minus 18 would be minus 2x. 18 minus 16 is 2, but we have a minus sign in front because the largest number had a minus sign in front. Then we have our y terms, plus y, only one of those. And then we have minus 6 plus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. We'd have a minus in the answer because the biggest number had a minus in front. Okay? So that would be our answer for those ones.